Hello everybody and welcome on the Chrono Bitcoin channel. I've been thinking, but since a lot of content will be produced around smart contract on this channel, and given the fact that they will mostly be the next major shift in finance history, I want to give it a go and give you a brief overview of the profound changes that are happening on our digital world. Maybe new for you, this work tried to describe more of an agreement, completely digitalized and holding inside pre-configured, movable parts, allowing automated behavior based on specific conditions. Let's dive into a real fake use case to understand the purpose of this famous smart contract, and for this, I'm gonna pretend I want to bet and flip a coin with you. Heads, you give me 10 bucks, tails, I give you 10 bucks. Fair, right? No advantage for nobody with a pure zero-sum game. We're ready to play, but we directly face a major issue. We need a third party to whom, you and me, agree to hand the money out for the bet. And since we are into it, let's also kindly ask him to throw and flip the coin for us to ensure fairness for the bet. And last but not least, trust him that he will redistribute the money to the winner at the end of the game and not start to run away. I guess you already nailed it. We can fully replace this third party with a smart contract. To design such digitalized third party, we can decompose the interaction as follows. The contract will have one starting condition. The two participants have to log the same amount of funds. The contract will automatically attribute heads to the first participant and tails to the second one. If the starting condition is met, then the smart contract flips a digital coin, meaning that it will just pick a random number between 0 and 1. Let's say a number between 0 to 0.5 will be heads and 0.5 up to 1 will be tails. As soon as the random number is withdrawn and the smart contract knows who's the winner, the smart contract will simply wire the money instantly. See how we remove the need for a third party and drastically simplify the interaction between two strangers. And one of the best parts is that this example can be executed directly between our two respective crypto wallets. All the trust upon this smart contract rely on the underlying blockchain technology. View it as a simple digitalized ledger shared among thousands of people around the world. Once data is stored on this decentralized ledger, it becomes immutable to any future change. The well-known Ethereum is currently the most popular blockchain used for smart contracts, and the language to operate and deploy them on the network is called Solidity. Even though the technology called smart contract can still be judged as a new and recent progress, the amount of work done by the community and company around the world on top of these ecosystems is just astounding. 2020 has shown us the huge room for smart contract in finance with loans, liquidity provider, automated market makers, and so on and on. We start to see the possibility to get rid of the banking system in a fully automated and deterministic way. The birth of decentralized exchange platforms like Uniswap with products like Compound or Aave are clearly the symbol of groundbreaking technology that are smart contracts. Replacing part or most of the banking system with some smart contract is almost like the obvious path, since one of the main properties of smart contract is to be able to hold funds. But smart contracts are seeing the birth of new use cases every day. Insurance, authenticity, governance, property management are few examples where the usual mechanics intended by a third party can be directly translated into smart contracts. Despite being very promising, we can't fully switch yet to this new technology until we overcome some challenges we still have to address. The first one is about the new paradigm developers are facing. Once the smart contract is published, you can't update it anymore, and if a vulnerability is found, you can't switch it off for maintenance, patch it, and restart the system, leading to a whole new set of good practices and audit habits. But you still need to understand that there is a lot of unaudited smart contract out there, and many plausible scenarios can lead to a new heist in the crypto ecosystem. This is why a quick reminder to watch your step before taking any crypto investment decision. The second main concern is about the inputs to feed to the smart contract. In our previous example, when we bet together, the smart contract used the randomness as an input to provide a winner in our game. But what if I want to build a smart contract that requires real-world information like the result of the last US election to allow its decision process to function correctly. I would need a reliable source of information that is incorruptible and, if possible, as decentralized as my smart contract. That's what we called an oracle, and one of the closest examples alive trying to solve that very pain point is the current project Chainlink that have attracted a lot of attention recently. To finally add to the drama, we can mention the lack of regulation among all these new financial tools and really ask questions confronting the way our society is currently functioning. Who is held responsible if a smart contract gets corrupted when its creation was led by hundreds of developers around the world? And what can we do if a smart contract has been specifically designed to allow harmful real-world behavior and can't be stopped anymore? How about you? What do you think? Do you think Oracle can incentivize people enough to create incorruptible real-world data mining? Will the blockchain overcome the immutable states of smart contract constraint and allow vulnerability to be patched? Let me know down below in the comment section what do you think, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If it gave you a better understanding of a smart contract, it is a total success. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. You know the drill. Until next time, be wise, be careful, be crypto.